Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, make sure it's unlocked and connected. Once ready, open Settings and tap Notifications. This is where system alerts are controlled. You do this now because emergency alerts are part of notifications, not a separate app. Make sure your device shows the correct iOS version so options match these steps. Then scroll down within Notifications. You will see government alerts near the bottom. You're close, so stay on the screen and get ready for the next step. Now you find and manage the specific alert switches. Scroll fully to the bottom of Notifications until you see government alerts, amber alerts, emergency alerts, public safety alerts. Tap each label if available to inspect preferences. Some iOS versions hide per alert details. Toggle the switches on or off depending on what you want to receive. If you use Do Not Disturb or Focus modes, make sure to add exceptions so emergency alerts still sound. Otherwise, they may be silenced when you don't want them to be. Finish by verifying the settings and testing where possible. Once you toggle the alerts on, restart your iPhone to apply changes. This often fixes missing notifications. Make sure carrier settings and iOS are up to date because compatibility affects delivery. If you still don't receive alerts, contact your carrier or check local government test alerts. These validate setup. One troubleshooting tip: if alerts are silenced, review Focus/Do Not Disturb exceptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.